Well, hello there guys, it's Reed here yet again with the box. And it looks like it's that time, guys. It's time for another exciting, thought-provoking, super official, insane food product review. From YouTube's only straight A's 365 day a year food product reviewer. We have the Summer Berry Blizzard from Dairy Queen, people. Check it out. I got a mini. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, people. And yes, for those people wondering, it's melting. For those people wondering, you can get a Blizzard for breakfast. So that's one thing I was very excited to see, people. And this thing is melting everywhere. It's an absolute mess. It almost... the fluids are running everywhere, people. And when I see fluids run around like this on something, it reminds me of that night when I walked in on my ex-wife after Malcolm cream powder with a 12-inch British Broadcasting Corporation. They were fluids running everywhere. And this thing's out of control, people. Also, I would like to say that Dairy Queen did a very bad job. They gave me one napkin with this. And that's not a good idea. One little napkin. And it's, you know, that one. But it is what it is, people. The mini is $3. And Blizzards are overpriced. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But we're going to have to get right to this, people, and give it a review before it drips everywhere. God, I've never seen this many fluids. It's everywhere. So, as always, guys, remember, if you have anything you would like Reed and the box to review, you got to leave a comment below. If we like that, pick up that comment and review your request next. Thumbnail. Alrighty, guys, now before we do a super official review, we're going to have to take a few bites off of this. This is I forgot what it's even called. Summer Strawberry Cheesecake. There it is. It's actually got berries in it, people. Little berries. Look at that. Little berries. Let's take another bite of it here. Gotta eat some of this so it's not dripping everywhere, people. These fluids are out of control, just like watching an adult movie. It's good though. It is good. It's very nice. Strawberry. No, it's the berry cheesecake blizzard or whatever it is. Alrighty, guys. Now, we've got enough of it eaten off of there. And I'm going to check here and see just exactly what this is. I forgot the name of it. It is the Summer Berry Cheesecake Blizzard. People, I've just, the last few days, propane and propane accessories, they've been out of control. And, just can't keep up with everything, people. It's absolutely out of control right now. We're going through record sales of propane. Who would have thought in the summertime, people, you would sell propane like we are selling it now? It's absolutely crazy. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to just check one thing right here. Alrighty. Now, guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another super official review. Just like my ex-wife's face that night I walked in. Alexa. Alexa. Alexa's not here today, people. What a shame. I thought I brought Alexa. I guess I didn't. Yeah, that's disappointing. Alexa is here, people, but I've got her turned down real low. I wonder if she likes blizzards. No. It's very good, people. The cheesecake in that is very good. Let's get Alexa going here. I know a lot of people love or hate Alexa. Good morning.
Good morning. The world record for the loudest yell belongs to a teacher from Northern Ireland. At 121 decibels, this big shout-out was as loud as a jet engine. I do hope the record wasn't set while school was in session.
Ha ha. So much useless knowledge from Alexa. You know, I'm going to try a bite of the berries here, people. We got the berries right here. They have the seeds in them. A lot of flavor from them. Very nice indeed. The Berry Summer Cheesecake Blizzard. It's absolutely amazing. One thing I will say about it, people, is it's not really a good idea to review blizzards in your car if you're not prepared. I was not prepared this morning. You know, my fingers are sticky. My mouth is sticky. You know, that doesn't sound right, but you get what I'm saying. It is an absolute mess reviewing a blizzard, especially in the summertime in the car. The cheesecake in this is absolutely wonderful. I am a bit concerned about the berries though. Seems like they're a little too hard. They're very hard. You can't really chew them. That's very strange. I mean, look at that. I've got one right between my teeth right now, and you can't pop it. It's not like popping a cherry, that's for sure. Alexa, pop a cherry. She looked up pop a cherry. Alexa, do you like blizzards?
I don't know.
Alexa, do you like Dairy Queen blizzards?
I don't have an opinion on that.
No. Anyway, that's pretty much it. What we're going to do, people, I'm going to tell you like it is. The cheesecake in this is very good. Okay. But the main thing that really hurts this is the berries they put in it. They're too hard to even chew. I guess you just have to swallow them. You can't swallow them. That's what she said. Oh, God. You're going to just have to... You're going to just have to deal with it. I think that really hurts it. I really do. I mean, the cheesecake in this is outstanding. It really is amazing. Alexa, what's your favorite cheesecake?
My favorite is definitely New York cheesecake.
Of course it is. What a surprise. I knew that would be what she'd say. But anyway, guys, this blizzard, I think, falls short. Now, at my blizzard, we are at Millersboro, Kentucky today, people. You know, I've told you how corrupt it is with the law enforcement. They've got a rogue cop called Bear, former high school bully, former drug dealer, now a rogue cop. Just think about that. Think about a rogue cop in your area, people. I mean, that is scary. But we are, the Dairy Queen here in Millersboro, I'll just be honest with you. I've got so many items here that was bad or average, and I've went other places, and they've been totally different. So maybe it's because I got this blizzard so early in the morning. I don't know. It's 10:09 right now. And just to prove it to you, Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, time.
The time is 10:11 a.m.
10:11. So, there you have it. And I'm going to give it 3 stars. The berries in this are just too hard. Man, I can't understand it. It's like you're chewing a hard watermelon seed. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Maybe it is, I don't know. But that's going to be the official review, people. And they put it in the Jurassic, you know, World, or just, what is it? Jurassic Kingdom coming out. And got its own kind of advertising going on there, I guess you could say. But that's going to be pretty much it, people. You know, been an interesting review this morning. It's always hard reviewing these blizzards, especially when they overflow it and they give you one napkin. But you know, it is what it is, people. How many people actually order a blizzard at 10 o'clock in the morning? That's right. I think we might be the only ones. But we do it 365 days a year. I tell you, I was going to get those dippers this morning. Those little biscuit gravy dippers that's been requested from Dairy Queen. I was in Corbin yesterday selling propane and propane accessories, and they did not have them. You know, they had them there, and I was like, well, I'll pick them up tomorrow when I go to Middlesboro. You know, because they had, like, when I sat down and ate there, they had advertisement. And I was like, oh, they got them out now. So I was like, I'll get them in Middlesboro. And then I went to Middlesboro today, and they don't have them. They said, we don't carry them yet. So I had to review something today, to, you know, 365 days a year. But had to review something today. And I got the Summerberry Blizzard. Since everybody loved my review of the Jurassic Chomp Blizzard, I said, I'll get this and review this. So that's how that came about. I was not even going to review this Blizzard. But it's an okay Blizzard. It's not their best. My favorite Blizzard of all time, as I've said in the past, is the Oreo Blizzard. I like the Reese's Blizzard also. But that's going to be pretty much it, people. That is the official review of another exciting item. You know, a little bit shaky today, the review was, you know, box. It was a little bit shaky. You know, but, you know, not every review is going to be perfect, you know. When you're doing it 365 days a year, you're going to make mistakes. You can't sit there and make everything perfect, you know, so we did a good job. Alexa, good job this morning.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
See, she's not sure. But anyway, guys, that's going to be the official review. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the show. It's been an absolute blast as we continue the show. And check this Blizzard out. And let's get the Coca-Cola sponsorship up there right quick. Cannot beat Coca-Cola, people. The best soda you will ever have. And that's going to be the official review. And that's going to be the official everything. We've talked long enough. We've talked long and hard. And that's going to be it, people. As always, thanks so much for watching the show. Me, the box, and Alexa, of course. See you guys tomorrow with yet another exciting, thought-provoking, insane food product review. 365 days a year, propane, and reviews. Man, we truly are making America great again. We'll see you guys later. Toodles. It's so good, people. The steak is so good. It amazes me how Taco Bell puts together such great items for $5. I mean, I think Taco Bell's my favorite fast food place. I mean, there's so much in this box, people. It's going to be hard for one person to eat it all. I mean, it's a bargain. $5, people. Let's get a bite of the tomatoes here. Steak. And get some of that white stuff that the ex-wife likes to have inside of her. And let's take a bite of it here.